Hey everyone, welcome to the video. I hope you all are doing great. I want to be rich. Well, this is a dream sentence of most of the people in the world and the people who are watching this video. Well, if we don't manage our money in the best way, it becomes difficult for us to manage the inflow and the outflow of money. Well, what better than the 5 rules of managing the money like the rich? The man himself, Dave Ramsey. If you have not watched the video till now, I will drop the link in the description. Make sure to check out the video. Well, today I wanted to talk about what values I learned from this video, and let me know in the comment section what are your opinions or what are the values what you learned from this video. So without wasting more time, let's get straight into the video. Well, there are many things that we can learn from the video, but here are 5 things what I felt that I learned from this video and I thought of pointing out in this video. The first thing what I learned from the video is spend less than you earn. Well, we all have a habit of buying a lot of things what we would like to buy by just watching people buy or having to see that someone else has bought something. Let me also buy those. Well, I remember one great person had told me that if you want to buy something that has huge value, then you must think of having your earnings 3 times than what you have now. Well, that is way true that if we don't have that much amount of earning that we can't afford to buy that, or if we can afford to buy that, we should have the earnings of having the 3 times of buying those. Well, we should learn how to spend less so that we have the savings more and earn more as much as possible. So that's the first thing what I learned from this video. Apart from this, next what I learned was pay yourself first. Now, we all have this habit of doing something for others first or getting something for others and doing the most of the things that you love the most for the others, right? Well, this is not a wrong decision or a wrong opinion of doing things. Well, you're not doing anything wrong, but you're just sharing that love with others. Well, I really appreciate that. But before that, you must think about what are your earnings, what are your place of earning or where you stand right now, right? Well, the best thing right now is if you earn some, if you're earning even $1,000, if you're earning even $20 also, whatever is you're earning, pay yourself first. Invest in yourself, invest in your knowledge, invest in the good for your knowledge. Don't invest something else so that end of the day you end up somewhere where you didn't want it to be, where you planned of being somewhere and ended up being somewhere else. So pay yourself first in a good way. So that's the second thing what I learned from this video. Third thing is it depends on most of the people. Well, the third thing what I learned from this video is avoid bad debts. Well, most of the people think that having debts and moving in life is easier. Well, let me tell you, it's not that easy how you think. You need to pay your debts as much as early as possible and finish it off and enjoy your rest of your life. I've seen people who suffer will spend on suffering from bad debts and debts that they have not completed to fulfill. And now talking about why I have a different opinion of bad debts is after watching the video or after watching or learning from the book Rich Dad and Poor Dad, my opinion over bad debts is completely different. Where people think that bad debts is bad, I somehow feel that bad debts could be good at some point where it could help you grow. Well, it depends from people to people. So I'm not suggesting anyone right here to go on with my opinion. But after I read the book, after I've seen some videos of Rich Dad and Poor Dad, I feel that bad debts are kind of good for growing yourself. Well, talking about this in another video, not in this video definitely. But yeah, this thing depends with each person. So let me know in the comment section how many people believe that bad debts are good and how many people believe that bad debts are not that good to have that growth. So let us see how many people reply for that. The fourth thing what I learned from this video is grow your money. Know to how to grow your money. Well, there is one point where I learned this thing was have 10 points or 10 places. Now, what does this mean? Work for 10, at least one will work for you. This means that try to get 10 to 15 places of earning or 10 to 15 ways of money generating platforms. It could be YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, or your marketing or your company, or working in 2 5 6 places. That anything could be a money generating platform, but make sure to have at least 10. Okay, now why 10? It could be less also, it totally depends on you, but why 10? If at all, you know, 10 does not work, at least from the 10, one at least will definitely work. So that's what I learned, and that's how you need to grow your money. You need to know how to grow your money, and how to grow your money is, first of all, growing your money does not mean that you do some job or do something you'll just get money. It does not work like that. That's not a scheme that you need to follow. What you need to follow is, first of all, build your mindset. That is more important. How do you build your mindset?
Success doesn't come to the most intelligent or the most talented. Success come to those who are the most hungry for it. So let me ask you, how hungry are you for success?
It's basically how hungry you are. How hungry are you to become rich? That's what is more important. If anything like that, you will automatically reach that success where you want to be. So that's the fourth point. The fifth, what I learned from this video, the fifth point what I learned from this video was, protect yourself and your wealth. Well, what does this mean? Protect yourself. Yourself means from all the negativity. Now, as you start getting success, there are people who are going to demotivate you. There are going to be people who might feel jealous of you, who might feel have a different opinion. But let me tell you, they are just opinions, okay? You need not react to that, because there's one say, people and situation depend on your reaction. So remember to react in a better way than reacting in the worst way, where you will end up having nothing in the end. So protect yourself from negativity, be positive, and if at all, if it's possible to make those person or make those people or whoever it is who are negative, if you're able to make them positive, well, good enough, you're changing someone's life. So go ahead and do that. Try your best. If not, it's fine. That's totally up to you. So protect yourself. Next, protect your wealth. Now you need to have a you need to keep a check of your inflow and outflow of cash or money. If you don't have a check of this, if you don't check it daily, what you're spent for, what you're paying for, what you have bought, what is coming in, who paid you, all of these, if you don't have a check of that, check does not mean the bank check, the check of your account, how much spent or how much expenditure you've made. If you don't have an account of that, it becomes difficult for you to manage your money. So these were some 5 points or 5 values that I learned from this video. Let me know in the comment section if you learned something different or else from all the points what I've spoken about. Well, I did a little bit research on this video too, so some of the points I had to modify a bit so that it could be better for you to learn too. But this video might impact many people's life. That's what I felt, and that's why I felt to make a video on this and let those people know how they can manage their money in the best way. Because if we don't have the motivation inside, we will not be able to do anything in life. So I thought of just making this video. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want more videos like this, having basically like a review on some videos, or if you want review on books, we will definitely make videos on that. So let me know in the comment section. So this is it for today's video, guys. This is Vignesh signing off for today. See you in the next one.